I'm super excited today. Today we're going to be doing a doll unboxing, and I just got home from the theater. I just watched Snow White, so if you're interested in watching it, I really recommend it. This is like one of my favorite movies. I really enjoyed the movie, so if you're debating whether or not to watch it, I say go for it. You know, everybody's opinions are different. I definitely say it's worth a watch. So I'm really happy I went. But I'm a little bit tired because it's past 11. It's like 11:13 at night. And I'm usually tucked away in bed because I work very early morning hours. So I'm a little bit low energy. But besides that, I'm very excited to do this doll unboxing with you all. So yeah, let's get to it. So when I first heard about the celebrity artist getting a Bratz doll, I was in shock. I was really happy because I do listen to her music. She has some great songs. And I also listen to her fiance's, I'm not sure if they're married yet or not, but her fiance's music as well. And if you don't know who I'm talking about Karol G. Bratz did a collaboration with Karol G. I was ecstatic. I was very happy, and I was very excited. One of my doll friends actually told me about it, and as soon as he told me, I was like, I have to get that doll. I absolutely have to get that doll. And another thing was like, you know how Bratz has boy dolls? He was like, it would be cute if they did a Bad Bunny doll. If they ever did a Bad Bunny doll, I would be all over that doll because I love Bad Bunny and we need more boy dolls. And unfortunately, a lot of the times, the boy dolls, they do not get enough praise and they don't sell as well, it seems like. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and show what she looks like. My dog's playing with his toys. I'm so sorry you hear random squeaking and all that. But here's the outside of the box. I love the outside of the box, and I wish I had more energy because I am so hyped about having this doll. I screamed when I was able to get her. Like, I squealed. Like, I was so happy. I was jumping on the bed. I was so happy. I am a fan of her music. I love this artist, so I'm very happy that Bratz did a collaboration with her. So, like, again, the outside of the box is very cute to me. This is very Karol G coded. Here is her artist name right here. Her name is actually Carolina. I love the illustration of her right here. It's so cute. Bratz Bichota. Bichota is like the female version of Bichote. And it's kind of like, Bichote is like jefe, like a big boss, like a drug lord, I guess you would say, or like a gangster. But she took it, feminized it, called herself Bichota, and what to me, like, you know, is like Bichota is like, oh, I'm independent, I'm a bad bitch, stuff like that. I don't need a man and all that. Because if you know the history of Karol G, she used to date and and now she's engaged or married to Fade, which is another artist that we listen to. Love his music. We actually went to his concert last year, which was really good. We sat front row. I really want to go to one of her concerts. And Karol G has been around for a very long time, it seems like. I don't want to say very long time. She has been into music for the longest. She's actually friends with J Balvin. And I think she came around 2006. I could be wrong. Don't quote me on that. But Karol G, I love her songs, especially the last two albums. But back to the packaging. I went on a little rant. I'm so sorry. But I love this window design right here. This is actually very cute. It's a barbed wired heart. And this is actually a tattoo that she has. And you can see it on the illustration right here on the side. I just love this so much. But this is very cute. So let's turn to the side. The barbed wire continues on the side. It says Karol G Bratz. And then on the top, I love how the handle right here is barbed wire. And on the back, it's so cute. It has Karol G, Bratz, and I just love the illustration on this on the back. It's so cute. And let's see, it says, I still can't believe we won a Latin Grammy for Best Album of the Year. No one will ever know what I felt on that November 16th of 2023. After all that work and dreams come true, I can say that mi mañana has sido muy bonito. And I'm still learning Spanish, so if I butchered that, forgive me. I wanted to give it a shot. So here is what she actually looks like. Very, she's super pretty in my opinion. And I just love how they got the bangs. Because when you see the doll and you see this picture, I'm like, oh, they did such a good job on the bangs. I just had to compliment that because I think the bangs really add the spark to this doll. Besides, you know, the outfits and the packaging, but I just had to point that out. We have Velcro for the doors. And this is what it looks like without the little window design. So we have her 3 Grammys right here. And then the famous Bratz doll brush. We have her vinyl right here, which this album is actually my favorite of the last 2 albums. It's very good. And then here's this really cute picture of her. Here she is with the bangs, the Grammy dress that she wore, and she has a separate outfit. Look at this purse, so cute. I just love how like the illustration still continues on the back, so it's like she's looking the opposite way. I love it, so cute. Okay, so we have her 3 Grammys, her vinyl, her 2 earrings, her necklace, and this little thing right here just explains to you what bichota means. And then we have this Karol G Bratz envelope. Let's see what it looks like inside. This is basically the COA, which is really cool. I like the way they did that. There you go. Both outfits assembled. And with this set, we only get 1 pair of shoes, which is the heels. But I think Karol G is like one of the few girls that can pull off sweatpants with some heels on. This one has the accessories on, like I mentioned earlier. And I just think overall she's a gorgeous doll. I really love this collab. At the time of release, this doll ran for $50, I believe. So not that badly priced for everything that you get. I'm just going to do a close-up of the face. Very pretty. The iconic Bratz makeup look. And side glance. And the lips. I think this is a perfect collab, like I mentioned. They did a really great job on the bangs. And just overall doll. The hair is really soft. I do have to wash it. But other than that, I actually like the hair. And out of all the Karol G colors that she's done, this is my favorite with the blonde and pink, or when she had pink hair. I think she looks like really pretty with the blonde and pink. Because she's had teal hair, she's had red hair, she's had different colors. And I think this is the best one on her. But I love this doll. Let me know what you think and who you want to see next as a celebrity Bratz doll.